Good morning, everyone. Welcome all of you to my channel Literature Duh. Today I am going to discuss about the poetry of class 10th first class book, and the poetry name is Animals. Let's talk about the poet first. Walt Whitman was born on 1819 and died on 1892 in America. He was one of the well-known poets of America. He has suffered a lot since his childhood. At the age of 11, he was working and left the school. He was also known as father of free words. Now come to the poetry. Animals. जैसा कि नाम है एनिमल्स, जानवर. In this poetry, the main theme of this poetry is that the poet is trying to show the qualities of animals in compared to human beings. ये पोएट इसमें जो क्वालिटीज़ जो पहले कभी इंसान के अंदर हुआ करती थी, अब वह धीरे धीरे समाप्त होती जा रही है. इन क्वालिटी अब वो जानवरों में है. तो ये कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं इंसान और जानवर में. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द पोइट्री. नाउ कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट स्टेंजा. I think I could turn and live with animal. They are so placid and self-contained. I stand and look at them long and long. So in this first stanza, the poet here is trying to indicate the qualities of animals. The animals are so calm and placid. They are so peaceful in compared to human beings. They are so happy in their surroundings. But if we talk about the human beings, they are busy in their life in earning money. They are never satisfied. So this is the reason the poet here wants to turn himself in the animal. So पोएट यहाँ बताना चाहते हैं कि जो एनिमल है वह काफ़ी ज़्यादा शांत रहते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुश रहते हैं, क्योंकि वह अपने आप में मस्त रहते हैं, सेल्फ कंटेंट रहते हैं. लेकिन जबकि इंसान है जो इस भाग दौड़ भरी ज़िंदगी में हमेशा कुछ न कुछ चाहने के चक्कर में हमेशा बिजी रहता है. तो इस तरह से यह पोएट है जो बताना चाहते हैं. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा, दे डोंट स्वेट and whine about their condition. They don't lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Now the meaning of the difficult word sweat here means complaining behavior, whine means cry, sins means wrongdoing. In Hindi we can say paap. Demented means mad or disturbed. So they do not sweat and whine about their conditions. So if we talk about the animals, they never complains about their problems. But in comparison to human beings, we always complaining to ourselves, to others, that I have a lot of problems in my life. My life is not going well. But it does not happen with the animals. In whatever the animals has, they are happy with that. So they are uncomplaining. They never complain about that. Now they do not like awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Or if we talk about the animals, they don't awake in the night, and whatever sins, whatever wrongdoing that he has committed, they never cry about that. जो एनिमल्स है वह कभी भी रात में वो रोता नहीं है, अंधेरे में रोता नहीं है. जैसे कि इंसान है, अगर कोई वह गलती कर देता है तो उसे याद करके पछताता है कि काश मैं अगर यह गलती नहीं किया होता तो मैं इस प्रॉब्लम में नहीं पड़ता. तो इन सब चीज़ों से जो जानवर है वह काफ़ी दूर रहता है. वह कभी भी अपने पापों पे जो पाप किया जाता है या कुछ गलत काम जानवर के द्वारा किया जाता है तो उस पर कभी वह उसे पछतावा नहीं होता, वो गलत काम में कभी लिप्त नहीं होता. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. और वह कभी भी दे डोंट प्रेज द गॉड। जो जानवर है कभी भी भगवान को प्रेज नहीं करते हैं और दिखावा नहीं करते। दे नेवर प्रिटेंड दैट दे प्रेज गॉड, बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द ह्यूमन बींग्स, दे आलवेज प्रिटेंडिंग समथिंग। वो हमेशा शो करते हैं कि हमको भगवान को पूजा करना है, भगवान के हमारे बहुत सारे धारणाएँ अवधारणाएँ हैं जिसे हमें फॉलो करना है, लेकिन ये सब चीज़ें जानवर के साथ नहीं है। No one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Or if you talk about the animals, no one is dissatisfied. They all are happy. Whatever that they are getting to eat, they all are happy. But if you talk about the human beings, they are dissatisfied. They are not satisfied with their life. They are busy in hustle and bustle of life. Always there is hue and cry. एक इंसान कितना भी धन अर्जित कर ले, लेकिन वह कभी भी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होता। अगर उसके पास 2 व्हीलर है तो चाहता है कि 4 व्हीलर खरीद ले, 4 व्हीलर है तो और भी तरक्की करना चाहता है। तो हमेशा यह प्रवृत्ति है जो ह्यूमन बींग्स में चलता रहता है, लेकिन ये इंसान के साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है। Now in next stanza, not once kneels to other, nor to his kind that lived 1,000 years of ago. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth, so they show their relation to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself, they evince them plainly in their possession. Now the meaning of difficult words: kneels means bow down, evince means show or reveal, possession means ownership, token means qualities or you can say symbols. Not once kneels to another, nor to his kind that. So if you talk about the animals, they never ever bow down to one another. It means that in the life of animals, all animals are same. But if you talk about the human beings, we have to respect our elders. We have to respect someone or one another. हमें है जो एक दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट करनी पड़ती है, लेकिन ये है जो ये जानवरों में नहीं है, एनिमल्स में नहीं है। वो अपनी दुनिया में मस्त रहते हैं। Lived 1,000 years ago, not one is respectful and happy over the whole earth. So whatever qualities now the animal has, these qualities was also with the human beings 1,000 years ago. So they show the relation to me and I accept them. They brings me tokens of myself. They wins they plainly in their possession. So whatever they are, whatever conditions in the animals are, they are never complaining about their conditions. The poet is quite happy with the fact that animals do not make complaints and cry about their condition like humans. They eat and sleep peacefully and they have nothing to worry about. They bring me token of myself. The poet here is saying that the animals provide the symbols to the poet that he is imagining herself as a animal. Token means symbol होता है. Now in the next stanza, I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? In this stanza, the poet here is talking about from where this animal has got this type of qualities. As we know that we human beings that come from our ancestor were apes, and we have converted from apes to the human beings. So these qualities was once upon a time, this quality belongs to the human beings, but being civilized we are losing all our qualities, and but the animals are getting all the qualities, all the responsibilities that human has left. सो यहाँ बताना चाहते हैं कि जो ये सिंबल है, जो टोकन है, जो अभी जानवरों के पास है, वो कहाँ मिला उन्हें, क्या हम लोगों ने यह हम लोगों से वह कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ है जो कभी हम लोगों के साथ हुआ करता था, वह सभी है जो जानवरों के साथ है. He believed that the civilization has corrupted human beings and instead of teaching values to them, it has taught them greed. He believes in this poet that humans dropped this virtue a long time ago and forget them. Human beings always busy in earning money, they are rat racing, they are moving here and there in the search of money, but it does not happen with the animals. So these are the comparisons of animals and human beings by the poet Walt Whitman. Now let's talk about the poetic device stanza wise. So in this first stanza we will discuss about the poetic assonance. Assonance we can see here I, the word I and I think here, think में I और live में I, these are so prominent. तो repetitions of vowel sound is called assonance. Now repetitions क्या होता है कि जब हम किसी एक सेंटेंस में, जब हम कभी एक सेंटेंस में कोई एक वर्ड है जो रिपीट होता है उसे हम कहते हैं रेपिटेशंस. जैसे कि आई स्टैंड, यहाँ पे आई, फिर से आई स्टैंड, 1 मिनट, आई स्टैंड, आई थिंक आई कुड टर्न. आई एंड आई यहाँ रिपीट हुआ है तो दीज आर रेपिटेशन, वह रेपिटेशंस है. और मेटाफर भी यूज हुआ है. स्वेट इन वाइन्स रेफर टू क्राइज इन कंपनीज ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, तो ये मेटाफर भी है. सो दीज आर द पोएटिक डिवाइस दैट हैज बीन यूज्ड बाय द पोएट. Now these are the important questions that we have to go through. The first question is that what was the reason that poet wants to turn himself as a animals? So these are the important question, can also come in the examination. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.